Now on to Lesson 2. For Lab 3, the OSI model TCP utilities. Displaying IP information. It is often necessary when troubleshooting that a user needs to gather the IP information from the machine they are working with. The commands within Windows and Linux are similar, but each has their own syntax. Becoming familiar with these commands and their available switches will greatly assist in troubleshooting. Lesson 2.1. Displaying IP information using the CLI. Now for this one, we're going to have to go back to the Windows box. Step 1. Using the Windows 2K8R2 Internal 1 virtual machine to display basic IP information in Windows, type the command ipconfig into the command prompt and press enter. ipconfig. Enter. Notice that this command provides the basic IP information such as IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Step 2. To provide detailed IP information, type the command ipconfig /all into the command prompt and press enter. More detailed information is ipconfig. Make sure we're typing that into the command prompt /all and hit enter. Notice some of the additional information that is displayed with the output of this command. Some examples include DHCP enabled and available DNS servers. DHCP enabled is no. That is for the Ethernet local adapter. To display the available command switches available for the ipconfig command, type ipconfig /? into the command prompt and press enter. And I typed in ipconfig /? and now I press enter. These are the examples. Step 4 looks like it takes us back to the Linux screen. To display IP information in a Linux terminal, type the command ifconfig and press enter. Be sure not to confuse the two. It is very specific in Linux. So in here, we will type in ifconfig and hit enter. That was from before, and this is the after. Notice that the command displays the same basic information as the ipconfig command in Windows. However, there is no switch available such as /all to display more detailed information for the ifconfig command. For example, if a user wants to view the DNS servers configured on a Linux machine, they must view the configuration file associated with DNS. Type the command cat /etc resolv.conf into the terminal window and press enter. cat /etc resolv.conf and hit enter. The DNS information for the Linux machine will be displayed. To view the configuration file associated with the network card, type the command cat /etc/network/interfaces. space forward TC forward network forward interfaces and press enter. Changing the information in this file, such as the IP address, will make it persistent across reboots. Notice that the interface name ETH0 has its IP information set statically. Keep all windows open and continue on to the next section. So in conclusion, it is often necessary when troubleshooting that a user needs to gather the IP information from the machine they are working with. The commands within Windows and Linux are similar, but each has their own syntax. Becoming familiar with these commands and their available switches will greatly assist in troubleshooting. Now for the review questions. Number 1. What command can be used to display the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway in Windows? That should be ipconfig. What switch can be added to the above command to also view IP information such as DNS and DHCP servers? You would have to use the switch /all. Number 3. What command can be used to display the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway in Linux? I believe that was the ifconfig command. And that should conclude Lesson 2.